Hi guys, today I'll show you the original Samsung charging adapter and how it look like and how we can know that it is the real one. On the original, here we have the Samsung branding, as you can see, and as well as here in this part, model, input and the output 5 volt 1.55 ampere. That means it is a very quick charge, so the Galaxy E5 charger should be only 1.55 ampere, and it should be written as travel adapter and made in Vietnam also. And we have the Samsung logo here and this information and nothing else on the other side. And here we have the barcode kind of thing, so this is it. And here we have the cables, the lightning port, and here we have the pin to eject on the phone. So that's look like the original one, because we have the information here and the Samsung branding over here and the barcode. So this is perfectly original. And here we have to mention that 1.55 ampere means this is the very fast charging adapter, so this is obviously the original one. So in this way you can ensure it is original.